Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing, strip, seal, and sand project today. Driveway and walkway. Let me take you around and show you what we got. So this is the driveway. You can see we got some weed growth, but more importantly, we just have a lot of failed sealer. All that white. Yeah, it's just flaking up. So we're going to strip all this off. Up to the front walkway. You can see it this way, I think, a little bit better. It's pretty bad. The sand is way high, a lot of areas. Okay, so that's our project this morning. It's not a big area, but we'll get it knocked out. Let's get moving. Okay, so for stripping, we're putting down the Trident Tidal Wave Gel. That's our go-to stripper. Does a great job. We just applied a coat. You can see everything's turning white. It's doing its job. Tearing that up. Same way with the curbing on here. So we'll let that sit a little bit more, and then we'll start working on the turbo nozzle, getting it all back off. All right, starting to get warm out here, so let's get moving. Okay, so we got everything stripped off here. We ended up having to strip it 3 separate times to get this junk sealer off that they had put on. It was like a Home Depot or Lowe's brand, but it was pretty nasty. But we have it all out now. Just let that dry up overnight. Pretty much back to virgin pavers. And up along the side here. Alright, so come back in the morning, we'll clean it, sand it, and then put the new sealer down. Alright, we will see you back here in the morning. Okay, so we're back at the paver sealing job here for the driveway and walkway. Sorry about the noise, there's landscapers out here. Anyway, so everything's dried up, ready to start our cleaning after we got done stripping everything. Alright, so now we'll start with our 3-step cleaning process. The treating for efflow to begin with, and then point break, which is our organic cleaner, and then neutralize everything off. We'll put some sand down and lay the sealer today. So, alright, let's get busy. Okay, so everything's cleaned up here. We're getting ready to put the sand down and start laying the sealer. All looks really good now. All dried up. Pavers are clean, wide open. Let's get busy on the final part here. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll walk you around and show you how it looks. Yeah. Look at that. Cat 5. So much better. Color enhancement's all back. It's got a nice sheen to it. And of course we cleaned up the sidewalk and driveway for them just to finish it off. You can see a major difference here where the neighbor sidewalk ends and their sidewalk begins. Okay, well, this is Bill at Spring Pressure Washing. If you're looking for these kind of results for your pavers and driveway, please give us a call, 813-853-3557. we will see you at the next job.